So now we are going to try and reverse the elements in A or B. Okay, let's just start with A and only work with A, right? If I want to reverse the order of the elements in A, what I could do is, let's create another variable. Let's call it reversed A is equals to, you use the method flip and you just do that, and what you should see is, no, I wasn't supposed to put a semicolon so I could see, is now that the elements in A are in reverse order. They start from 5 going down, right? You could do the same thing for B. Let's just, I'm removing the semicolon so they get printed out on this side if that wasn't clear. So we have from 100 to 500, and then if you reverse them, they go into opposite order, right? Then we also had the joint arrays, right, where we joined A and B. Let's just say they are in what have I done? Okay, they are, each one is in a different column. What have I done wrong? When calling a function join in the use parentheses. Okay, I forgot to do joined is equals to A and B. That's how you do that, not how I was doing it initially. So now you have the joined things. What if you want to reverse the joined array? So the array we just created now, if you want to reverse the order, if you just say joined, so the row, each row is reversed, right? But then what if you wanted to reverse it based on the columns, not the rows? So we just want to flip all the columns. So you see what happens is it actually reversed everything. So then what if I just put in a 1, then if I put 1, then it just reverses, what do you call it, the each column, the value in each column. What was 1 goes where 100 was, it reverses it. Let me create another one. Let me do this between 5 and, what if I do, yeah, between 5 and 50. I want 5 values, so this can be much clearer, and I will call this C. So now we want to concatenate A, B, and C. So before we do all that stuff, let's just see how A, B, and C look now. So here it is, it's just a vector like that. So then if I want to flip it or reverse the order, if I say, if I don't put in anything, it just reverses the rows, right? So each row is just reversed. This, it starts from this side going that way. But then if I put in 1, then it reverses the columns only. So the 1, 5, 100 now goes from 100, 5, then 1, and then same thing for the second column, the same thing. And then if I put in 2, it reverses both the columns and the rows. So now what happened is it switched the sides, and it switched the rows, and it switched the columns. So that's it for reversing rows and columns.